Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you this simple way to paint these holly berries. I'm going to go in first, and I'm going to base coat my berries in barn red, which is my favorite red. It's definitely one of the deeper reds. I'm going in now and putting some of the color evergreen onto the edges of my leaves. And so far I've used a number 12 for everything. Now I'm going in with mint julep, and I'm going to put that on the center of my leaves, and then I'm just going to blend those two colors together until I am happy with the outcome. And sometimes if I feel like the lighter colors too much, I will go ahead and wipe my brush off so that when I begin to blend, I'm not only mixing the lighter color in. So once that's done, I allowed everything plenty of time to dry, and now I'm going in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker to outline everything. Actually, I'm not going in with my Sharpie marker, I'm going in with a paintbrush, but you could go in with your Sharpie marker if you wanted to. I like to use a number 6 whenever I outline with a paintbrush. Or a number 4, and then I will just rinse that brush off and go in with the cotton color and highlight everything, and that is it. This is very easy and would be pretty added into one of your wreaths if you wanted to. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.